Hi children, good morning. Today in our English class we are just going to revise. Revise means we are just going to go through, see again. இதுவரைக்கும் என்னென்னலாம் sounds பார்த்தோமோ அந்த letters and the sounds we are going to go through again. Okay? Are you all ready? Okay, fine. I'm going to start from the term 1. Term 1ல நம்ம என்னென்ன sounds பார்த்தோமோ till this term நம்ம இதுவரைக்கும் என்ன பார்த்தோமோ எல்லாமே we are going to revise and we are also going to just learn some few, just revisit some few names, the words that are associated with these letters. Okay, are you all ready? இந்த வேர்ட்ஸ்க்கு இந்த லெட்டர்ஸ் வச்சு இந்த சவுண்ட்ஸ் வச்சு என்னென்ன வேர்ட் வரும் அதையும் நம்ம பார்க்கலாம். we're just going to have a revision. இது வந்து நமக்கு just for us to help, if in case you have forgotten anything, it will help us to remember. சரியா, நம்ம மறந்தா கூட இந்த வீடியோ பார்த்தா you will be able to remember the letters and their sounds. Okay, are you all ready? Okay, first, what is this? Very good. A, t, I, p, n. A, t, I, p, n. Okay. What all the words that we see? Did we see? You have soup, snake, soap, star. When I say soup, sound is clearly heard, right? Dress. Very good. Then you have a. In a, what did we see? Apple, alligator, and very good. Okay? Okay. T. Can you tell me some words in T? Tail, toast, tumbler. You call the tumbler, right? When you drink water. Yes, tumbler. Then you have tent. Okay. T. When I say tent, T is clearly heard in the beginning as well as the end of the word. Tent, tent, t. Okay. Then you have India, igloo, iguana, a. Then you have person, pink, girl's favorite color, pink. Pen, pencil. When you say please, please. Okay. Then for what we'll say? Nest, nurse, nurse. Name. When somebody asks you what is your name, name சொல்லும்போது clear-ஆ இருக்கு இல்லையா? And when you say no, I don't want it, no, is clear, right? Okay, then we'll move on to the next set. Before moving on to it, we'll just have a look at these sandpaper letters. Okay, and this is starting from you will have to trace like this, trace like this. Then you have a, starting here. A. You can either just put a standing line and a sleeping line. If you want, you can curve it a bit here. Okay? T. Then you have a standing line, I, and a dot here. I. This dot is called as title. So, nearly a title. I. Then you have a standing line, just go up and draw a circle. P. And you have a standing line and a hump. Standing line Okay, now we'll go to the next set. What is this? What is the sound of this letter? Very good. Then both have a same sound. Then A. Okay. H. R. D. Very good. K. A. H. R. D. Okay. Okay. We'll see some words. For K, you have cake, camel, can, come. Okay, good. Then for this K, you have kite. You love flying kites, right? Kite, key. You open the door on the Savi Solmolia, key that you use to open the lock. Key. Then you have kick. Podekarduk pere kick. Donkey kicks, right? Kick. Okay. A. When you say A, you have E. Engine, edge, egg, enter. You remember? Okay. H. When you say hi, H is clearly heard. Hello. How are you? Hand. My hand is paining. Her hand. Clear? Okay. Then we'll move on to R. You have road, rat, ring, rain. Rain. We all have been seeing a lot of rains the last year, no? Rain. Okay. Then you have milk, milkshake, mango, mummy, mother. Very good. D. What do you call, what words you think when it comes to D? Door, dress, daddy. Very good. Then K, E, H, R, D. Now what I am going to do is I am going to show you the sandpaper letter for the other sets. Okay? Shall we start? Okay. Cake. When I say cake, are you able to hear the sound K clearly? You see, starting from here, just draw a curved line. K. K. Then you have another K, which the words associated. The words adoda enna words irukuna? Key, kite. Starting from here, go up and 1 minute. I'll do it from the first. Okay? Starting, draw a standing line. Clear? Draw a standing line, then draw a line like this and a line here. Key. Key, kick, king. Okay, then you have A. Enter, engine, egg, engineer, edge. Right? Okay, so starting from here, draw a sleeping line, and just curve it till here. A. Then you have ham, hamburger, hand, hi, hello. So draw a standing line and a hum. Okay? A standing line, go up and Then you have as in rat, road. Draw a standing line. Okay, draw a standing line, come up a bit and half curved line. Then you have as in milkshake, mango. Draw a standing line, just come up and draw 2 humps. Okay? A standing line, come up a bit and draw 2 humps. Then you have D as in drum. For this also you will have to draw a standing line, come up a bit and draw a circle. You can stop it, you can stop here. Clear? stop. Okay, fine. Now we'll move on to the next set that we learnt in this term. Hope you all remember it well. What is this? G. G. Yavarka? Okay, G. Very good. A. Okay. A. F. L. B. Very good. So you all remember it very well. Okay. Shall we see some words? What words you remember in G? Gum, glue. Good. When I say good, are you able to hear the sound G? Well, G. Okay, good. Then girl. When I say girl, G is clearly heard. G. Girl. Game. Shall we all play a game? G. Game. Okay. Orange. You on a switch or off it? On, off. Then you have oil. Oil. What mommy uses for cooking? Oil. Then you have umbrella, udder, under, upset, unwell. Hope you all remember it. Oh, that's good. Then you have as in fan, fish, friend. Then what we'll say? What is your favorite thing? Any favorite food that you will eat in it? French fries. Yes, French fries. Very good. Then you have as in lollipop, lunch, like, lady. Okay. Okay. B. You have to be very careful with D and B. I heard you have some confusions in D and B. Okay. Just have a close look at it. D is in this side. Yes, the curve is in this side. Clear? For B, the curve is in this side. Clear? Are you all able to see it clearly? So don't get confused between B and D. This is D and this is B. B as in bat, ball, bag. The bag you all have started bringing to your school nowadays, right? I'm able to see you bringing colorful bags. B, bag. Okay? Okay. B. Fine. Be clear. This is B. Now we'll see the sandpaper letters for B. Okay. G. Now I'm going to show you how to trace G. Yeah, I'm going to show you tracing it again. I'm sorry. Starting from here, it's like writing A. Remember? How will you write A? Starting from here, right? Starting from here, you go down, draw a circle, come up, go down and just curve a bit. Shall I do it again for you? Starting from here, draw a circle, go up a bit, come down and just curve it. G. Okay? Okay, what is this? This is O. Very good. O as in orange, omelette. Starting from here, we'll start. Where will you stop? Okay? Start. Stop. Start. Stop. Just draw a circle. Okay? Fine. Now we'll move on to okay? As an umbrella, upset, unwell. Starting from here, you will just draw a and go up and stop. F as in fish, French fries. Starting from here, go down. Okay, O as in lollipop, nothing but just a standing line. Very easy. Standing line. Lollipop. And you have B as in ball, bat and basket or bag. First draw a standing line, then draw a circle. B. Clear? Okay. Are you all able to see the board clearly? I have written the workbook, the page numbers that we have to work on it, and the homework date. First we will do the workbook activity. Go to page number 17, and when you come to your workbook, page number 17, you will have the space for tracing and writing the letters, the last set, G to B, G, A, E, B. Trace it, and also don't forget to write all by yourself. And are you all able to see the words here in page number 20? Are you all able to see some words here? Trace the words. What is this? This is app, lap, lap, lap. Lap is nothing but நம்ம மடி தான் நம்ம லாப்னு சொல்லுவோம். When you sit down, நம்ம வந்து கீழே உட்காரும்பொழுது you have your, நம்மலாம் போய் நம்ம அம்மா மடியில் படுத்துப்போம் இல்லையா? Yes, lap. Then you have log, log, log. Log is nothing but a wood log, mara katta. Okay? Log. Then you have fat, 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 fat. Fat means gundu, a fat cat. Yes, fat. Gap, 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 gap. எங்கேயாவது நம்ம ஒரு ஹோல் தெரியுது ஒரு இடத்துல. When you remember ஒரு smiley, in the flashcard we saw a smiley having a gap, right? பல்லு இல்லாம. That is a gap, gap. Then you have fig, fig, nothing but the fruit, remember? Yes. Then you have egg, leg, egg, kal, our legs, leg. Then you have lot, lot, lot. Lot na will say நிறைய இருக்குது. Say for example, when I say I have lot of chocolates, I mean எங்கிட்ட நிறைய chocolates இருக்கு. Okay? Lot. Then you have bin, 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 bin. Bin and you all know, right? The dustbin சொல்லுவோம் இல்லையா, அந்த bin. Okay. Then you have big, big, big. பெருசா இருக்கிறதுலாம் we call it as big, right? Big. Okay. We'll move on to the next page. Okay. In page number 21 again you have another set of words to trace. Okay. Shall we go ahead and blend and read them? Gum, gum, nothing but we used to paste something. Then you have on. You know what is meant by on. Lip, lip, lip. Then you have fin, fin, fin. You will find a fin in a fish which helps it to swim. ஒரு fish வந்து வாட்டர்ல swim பண்றதுக்கு இந்த fin தான் ஹெல்ப்ஃபுல்லா இருக்கும். Okay? Fine. Then you have fog, fog, fog. Fog is nothing but early morning when you wake up during the winter season. Early morning when you wake up, you see some ஒரு பனி மூட்டமா இருக்கும் இல்லையா, புகையா, that is called as fog. Okay, and the pani morning time la irukra, early morning la irukra and the pani is called as fog. Then you have bat, bat, bus, 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 bed, 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 gas, 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 gas. Your mom used to cook, right? Gas. Now go to page number 22 and you see a beautiful flower here. Okay, these flowers have the letters. What you have to do is you have to sound, tell the sound. What sound is this? G, A, B. As you keep telling, just keep coloring these petals. Will you color this beautiful flower? Don't forget to read the sounds. Okay, now open your homework notebook and go to the page that has the date 26/1/2021. you have to just write these set of letters g, a, e, b, s, a, t, e, p, n, k, k, e, h, r, n, d. Just write 2 times. 2 times is enough. Okay, children. So what we are going to do today is just we have 3 pages of writing and 1 page of coloring. Okay, it's very easy for you. No, I know you all are like have tiny cute little fingers where you can do wonders with it. Okay, after that what I'm going to tell you is one important information. Please submit your notebooks and your worksheets and your notebooks by this Saturday, that is on 30th 31/2021. This Saturday please come to school and submit all the notebooks and your assignment workbooks, so that it will be easier for us to correct it and give it to you for the next term. Okay, fine. Anyway, we are meeting on Wednesdays. Okay, but still I give you time till Saturday. Finish off before Friday, and if you have any pending work, finish it off. Friday we ellam mudichittu come and submit on Saturday. Okay, are you all clear about it? Okay, and one more piece of information. Tomorrow which is nothing but 26th January 2021. That is this year. But every year on 26th we have a national holiday. That day we celebrate it as a Republic Day. Shariya, when you come to M2 we can learn more about it, because in this piece of information is enough for you now. Shariya, throughout India fulla we have a holiday, because it is called as a national holiday. Because of Republic Day, it's a national holiday. India fulla nalaki holiday. Okay, fine, I'll meet you in another video. Until then, bye bye.